Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and please, by all means, hit that bell down below so you can be notified when I post new content. Well, my car is always a project in motion. Of course, I'm constantly doing something to it because things change. But when I bought the car, it had its flaws. You know, I bought it from another state, sight unseen pretty much. But when I got the car, there was a few things on it that I wasn't quite happy with. One of the things that I've just recently found is that the side markers are black, which I kind of knew they were black to begin with. They're nice black, but the problem is that someone decided to paint them black. I don't know if you can see that very well, but someone decided to paint them black, and they are starting to chip quite vigorously, and they did a fairly crappy job at painting them. So today my job is going to be to get all the paint off of these without destroying them, and then I'm going to take some really dark tint. What have we got here? A 5% tint. I'm going to put a 5% tint on them and make them look really, really nice, so that yes, people can actually see my turn signals when I use them, and they don't look like a lumpy, gooey mess. Because I'm not sure who did the job on this, but they, yeah, don't leave that person alone with small children. But that is going to be my project today. So thank you for joining me, and let's get to this. Alright, so this is our end result, and I'd have to say it looks much better than the lumpy, bumpy, crusty looking stuff that it had on it. I did find that on one of these, this one, that the brackets were broken off and they glued it on. So I'm going to have to do a little bit of work on this one to get it fixed back on there properly so it doesn't come off and that it looks right. I probably won't be able to put brackets back on it, but I do have some double-sided 3M tape that'll make this right rear one fit back on properly. These are the fronts, and they look pretty good. Much better than what I had before. So let's get the camera set up, and I'll show you guys what this looks like when they're back on.